Bunubu and the Burrow Doorbell. Being curious and welcoming can lead to wonderful friendships and adventures. One morning, Bunubu attached a shiny golden doorbell beside his cozy burrow door. "Now visitors can ring before they enter," he said proudly. The moment Bunubu pressed the button, ding-dong! A secret tunnel popped open beneath a flower patch. Out came Mole Momo carrying a tiny hard hat. "Welcome to tunnel number 42, said Momo with a grin. Bunubu pressed the bell again. Ding-dong! A different tunnel appeared, leading to a chamber filled with singing crickets. The cricket chorus performed a cheerful song that echoed through the underground halls. Bunubu clapped along. Curious, Bunubu rang the bell a third time. Ding-dong! This tunnel glowed with hundreds of tiny lights. Glowworm Gigi floated forward. "These are our cave lanterns," she explained. The sparkling lights twinkled like stars. One more ring. Ding-dong! A tunnel opened into a pebble museum where Turtle Tuck carefully displayed ancient stones. By sunset, Bunubu had met new friends, heard wonderful music, and explored amazing underground places. Bunubu left the magical doorbell beside his burrow. Every ding-dong brought a new surprise, and every surprise brought a new friend.